So in this video, I will show you how to add Luma fade transitions to your video on Inshot app. Without further ado, let's get started. Add your videos to your timeline. Press down the first video, select the second video and tap PIP to overlay the same video. Select full screen, tap edit and reduce the opacity. Move the overlay to the first video. And zoom it so it can align with the first video. Move it back to the main video. Zoom out the main video to fit the overlay. Now delete the overlay. Tap transition, add the soft transition. Let's preview. Follow the previous steps again. Add the video as overlay. Edit and reduce the opacity. Make it fit the previous clip. And make the main video fit the overlay. Then delete the overlay. Finally, add the soft transition. Now, let's see the final result. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.